Germany was Europe's engine. Factories, exports, discipline, growth. So the question is simple. Is Germany dying? Here is the puzzle. Unemployment is low, and infrastructure still works, but growth is weak, and confidence is falling. To understand this, we need to remember why Germany mattered. Germany wasn't just rich, it powered Europe's economy. Germany's success came from a clear model: cheap Russian energy, strong exports to China, and strict fiscal discipline at home. Then the energy shock hit Germany. Cheap gas disappeared almost overnight. Energy costs exploded. Electricity became expensive, and factories felt the pressure immediately. German industry came under stress. Chemicals, steel, and autos slowed down, shut plants, or moved abroad. At the same time, Germany faced a China problem. China stopped being just a customer and became a competitor. Exports lost their old power. German cars and machines were no longer the obvious choice. Another issue is demographics. Germany is aging fast, with fewer workers and more retirees. Immigration should help, but it creates a paradox. Germany needs workers, yet integration is slow and politically tense. Bureaucracy adds another layer of friction. Starting a business is hard, and building anything takes years. Germany also lags digitally. Fax machines still exist, and public services remain slow and fragmented. Fiscal rules limit flexibility. Germany hates debt and hesitates to spend, even during crises. There is also the green transition. Germany wants to go green, but the transition costs money, time, and patience. All of this hurts confidence. Businesses hesitate, households save more, and investment slows. So is Germany collapsing? No sudden crash, no chaos, just slow erosion. And yet Germany still works. Strong institutions, skilled workers, and social stability remain. The real question is about adaptation. Can Germany change fast enough, or will it protect the past for too long? Germany isn't dying, but its old economic model is, and the new one is not ready yet.